All right, this is Unit 3 review, more practice. It's posted on Google Classroom. So we go to the next slide. For number 1, first we're going to describe the transformation in words. So look at what's happening under the root, what's happening outside of the root. I think it's good to mention that the parent function is the square root of x. So I'm just going to graph the parent function. When I describe this in words, this is going to go right 4 and down 2. So when I'm graphing, I'm going to move these points, right 4 and down 2. And that's my new graph. I want the domain of my new graph. So x is going to be greater than or equal to 4. Because that's my locator point. It's at 4, -2, or it's my lowest point. Then my range is going to be y is greater than or equal to -2. Because that's my lowest y value. Okay, so there's a square root function. You're graphing it. From the parent function, you're shifting it right 4 down 2, and then we're describing the domain and range. The second slide is the answer. Then we've got the next problem. We'll do one more, and I think it's good to mention that this parent function is x squared, and we're going to start by describing the transformation in words. It's a +2 on the inside, so it's going to go left 2 and down 1. And now we're going to graph the function. I'm going to start with just my parent function. It was like this. And so I'm going to go left 2 and down 1. So we're going to move this graph left 2 and down 1. And here's your new parabola quadratic. Okay, we're going to describe the domain and range. The domain is all real numbers. Because of those arrows, it's going to go forever in both directions. So the x's will go forever in both directions. The range is a little different. It's going to be y is greater than or equal to -1, and that comes from our vertex. My vertex is at -2, -1. My axis of symmetry is the x value of your vertex. It's where you could fold this parabola in half. And I'll add my dashed line there so you can see that's my axis of symmetry. It's where it's the same on both sides. All right, so we worked through a parabola one. So you can check your answer on the next slide. Got the same thing. I have a few extra points, so you can check your points. So as you're working through this review today, try the problem, check the answers. There is extra graph paper if you need it.